Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, the #1 resource for influencers, creatives, and small business owners to help you understand social media better to grow and scale your business online. So today we are talking all about the good, the bad, and the ugly of influencer marketing. So if you are a brand or a business and looking to utilize influencers to help you with your marketing strategy, this is the video for you. So if you're interested in learning more about how to work with influencers, what you should look for when you are searching for influencers, this is the video for you. So just keep watching. So in today's video, we're talking about the truth about working with influencers. So I myself have been an influencer for 11 years. I've also had the opportunity to work in influencer marketing for a beauty brand. So I was the one who was selecting influencers, negotiating contracts, and putting together the entire campaign when it came to the influencer program for social media. So I have experience on both sides. So my perspective is very unique as I've worked on the brand side and I've also been an influencer for 11 years. So first things first, as a business owner, you should have a budget when it comes to influencer marketing. If you're looking to work with influencers, know that this is an industry that is still so super new, but I want to let you know that the work that influencers put in is a lot of work, right? So of course you want to be able to compensate your influencers for that work. But here's the thing, I find that a lot of brands don't necessarily have a budget in place when it comes to influencer marketing. The best tip that I have is when you start to think about influencer marketing and what you really want that to look like within your business, come up with a budget that is suitable for your brand, because there are influencers at every level, but again, it's going to take some, you're going to have to reach out and see pricing and things like that, but just have a budget and a number in mind that you're willing to spend on influencer marketing. I think that's the best tip that I have, is to really come up with a budget that is realistic to your goals when it comes to what you want to do with influencer marketing in your business. The second thing that you should do is that you should set goals. You should not go into influencer marketing without having goals set. You need to have goals set around what it is that you actually want the influencers to promote. Do you want them to promote the newest product launch that you have? Do you want them to promote a special sale that you're having? Really have a goal when it comes to what the campaign is going to be, what you are looking for with that ROI. It is very important for you to start to think about that, because again, in the whole scheme of the influencer campaign and what you're going to be doing on social media, of course, return on investment is important to you. So by setting goals, you can have a clear picture on what you can expect from the influencer or what you are looking for in return. And you're going to be able to measure that too. So make sure your goals are SMART goals. You want to be able to measure, how well the influencer helped or did even work for your business. The third thing that you want to do is you want to source influencers. Again, if you're not really familiar with a lot of influencers, I definitely recommend reaching out to an influencer marketing agency or agency that works with influencers like my agency. We can help you get your products and services in front of the hands of some industry tastemakers. At my agency, Thames Media Solutions, we have an extensive network of influencers that we work with who are ready to work with you and your brands and put your products in their hands so that they can promote it to their engaged audiences. So I would say the first step, what you need to do is search YouTube. Make sure that you are looking on YouTube for any influencers within your niche, beauty influencers, lifestyle influencers. Another way that you can also search for influencers is on Instagram. Utilize the Instagram hashtags like Chicago blogger, Chicago influencer, if you're specifically looking for influencers in a certain area. If you're looking for influencers like fashion blogger, I would say search those hashtags. That is a start where you can definitely find some influencers that fit your niche to help you with your campaign. Another important thing that you are going to want to do is to measure the campaign's success. You are going to want to have some key performance indicators in place that will help you understand how the influencer has helped you. One way that I see a lot of brands working with influencers is through affiliate marketing. The influencer may have a specific link link or a code that their audience can use, and you as the business owner can track how many sales that influencer makes through their code. That is one way that you can track how the influencer is helping you with ROI or how they are helping you grow your business. You're going to be able to see how many clicks or how many times someone has used that influencer's code, and that's going to help you determine, how has it helped your brand. It's going to help you look at those numbers. And the last tip is you want to follow up with influencers. I see a lot of brands dropping the ball when it comes to follow up with influencers. If a influencer has really done a great job for your brand, provided you with amazing content, their audience seems really engaged with their content, you see a return on investment, you see some change happening, whether that's even brand awareness. And let's just say this right now, not every influencer campaign is going to be geared toward, return on investment as in dollars. There are different ways that you can utilize influencers to help grow your business. And one of the big ways to do that is brand awareness. By you tapping into that influencer's audience and their engaged audience, that will help you with brand awareness. They're telling more people about your brand, and their friends and their family are telling more people about the products and services that you have, especially if they have an authentic following. Developing long-term relationship with influencers works because, number one, when your products and services are in the hands of those influencers and they're consistently promoting your products and services, it helps to build that trust with their audience. And they're going to say, oh, Michelle has talked about that Canon camera a lot of times, so she really must be interested in it. So it really does help to build that trust. So I hope all of these tips were helpful. If you're a business owner and you're looking to work with influencers, I hope these tips help you on your search to find the next influencer to help you with your brand campaign. And if you are interested in learning more about how you can work with influencers, definitely check down in the description box below for some resources to help you out. So I want to thank you so much for tuning into today's video, and I will catch you all in the next one. Peace.